everybody, welcome back to the Racing Trucker. Hey, it's Sunday, July 2nd. We are here at Road America. Our race was yesterday. Race went really well until it didn't. We had a really fast car. We had an awesome pit stop. We were leading the race. Everything was looking great. We were pulling away from the field, and then our alternator failed. We ran out of power and the car died. So we're licking our wounds and getting back into shape here. We're going to spend today here at the track. We're prepping the car. We got to completely go through it. Yesterday was a wet race, so the car is filthy. We're going to wipe it all down, clean it down, tick off the nose, clean the radiators, just clean it all up, prep it and everything, because we're going to go down to Virginia next week and test it. So today we're doing a lot of prep work. There'll be a lot of background noise today because the WeatherTech race is today. It's going to be a 6-hour race. So we're just going to sit here and work on our car and get it all ready to go. Then tonight at 9 o'clock, we're going to load in our other truck. Tomorrow and the next day, Monday and Tuesday, our other truck is here. We run in the SRO series with a BMW. So the BMW is here. It's going to come in. We're going to unload it tonight. And then tomorrow and Tuesday, we're going to be doing some testing on it. So a couple more days here at Road America, get some work done, and then off to Virginia we go. So for today, prep work. Let's go. Alrighty, as you can see, we got the nose of the car already off, and just going to blow out the radiators, clean it all up. It's just a mess underneath from the rain. And we did suffer some damage on the splitter. Luckily, since we're on the road, we carry everything we need, and we're in the process of repairing the carbon fiber on the splitter there. We'll get it all sanded down today and make it look like new again. Okay, well, part of the cleaning process is taking everything apart. So we want to clean the floor really well underneath and inspect it. So exhaust comes out, driveline comes out. That way, as you can see, feet are hanging out there. He's cleaning everything underneath there and inspecting, making sure everything's ready for the next race. Future race car driver Micah came by to say hi. So we had to trial fit him in the seat, see if he fits yet. Over here in Tire World, Gavin and Diego are prepping all the wheels for our next test. One thing that they have to check is every wheel has a tire pressure sensor, kind of similar to what cars have on the street. This one's just a little bit more high performance. And they measure the PSI inside the tire and the temperature also. And that information is fed to the dash so the driver can see it. And he can tell if a tire is going low or if a tire is cold for some reason and he shouldn't be getting on it yet until the tires warm up, all that good stuff. So we're double checking all the sensors today, making sure they're all tight and torqued to what they're supposed to be torqued to and working properly. We are in Wisconsin, so we had to get brats and onions and peppers. Lots and lots of people here today for the 6-hour WeatherTech race. Heading back to the paddock. We're going to have some lunch and then get back to work. All right, next order of business. Halfway through the season here, we're actually past halfway through the season. We've been throwing things in and out of this fuel rig here all season long and never have taken the time to actually open up all the drawers, open up all the cabinets, and clean everything and organize everything. So we'll spend a few hours here just opening up all these compartments, cleaning everything and organizing, getting it back to the way it should be, then wiping it all down and getting it all ready. Alrighty, car's almost done. Everything's all cleaned up. We're going to start loading things up now. Got the first tire rack in here. Going to grab the second tire rack and put it in here and get it all strapped in. Alrighty, and the guys have the second tire rack. It's coming in now. Okay, car's all back together again, about to get loaded in the trailer. And as you can see, the splitter is all repaired, good as new, ready to go racing. Good job, Malcolm. Okay, well, the IMSA part of the weekend is all done. We got the race all completed yesterday. Today we spent all day prepping the car, went through all the equipment. I got to go through all my pit equipment, get everything all cleaned up. So we're in good shape. Car's all ready to go. We have it all loaded up. Everything's all loaded up. So now we switch gears and we're going to be here tomorrow to be testing our SRO BMW. It runs in the different series, not IMSA, it's called SRO. So the SRO hauler is here. It's out in staging right now, and as soon as we get the go ahead, he's going to be coming on in. He's going to be parking in the upper paddock closer to the track than where we were. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the truck and I'll move it up there also, so I'll be right next to him. And then tonight what we're going to do is we're going to unload the SRO trailer, get the BMW out, and get it all ready for testing tomorrow. So we got here about 7 o'clock this morning and it is now 8 o'clock. So far 13 hours and we still got to unload the other trailer. So another long day, but let's go. Alrighty, it's getting dark, but our SRO truck here has arrived. He's parked right next to me up here in the upper paddock, so we're going to commence to start unloading. It is now 10:30 at night, and Mark and I are setting up pit. It's a kind of a bone basic pit. It's all we need for an SRO car. A couple bottles here, one for a gun, one for the air wand to lift the car up, and then a timing stand. So, and then an awning over it. We got it all set up. We're gonna go back to the paddock and see what the guys are doing. The car is a brand new car, so it's gonna get broken in tomorrow. It hasn't even been wrapped yet, as you guys saw. So nothing really high stakes the next couple days. Just break in and dial it in. Alrighty, well, it's 11:30 at night, and we're still working away on the car here. It's gonna be a late night, probably till about 1 in the morning, getting it all ready, because we got to go on track tomorrow. It's a new car, so there's a lot of stuff we have to do to it to get it ready to go on track. So I'm going to sign off here, guys. We're going to keep working for a little while, head to the hotel and get a few hours sleep. I'll rejoin you guys tomorrow night with the next video of how this car does on this first day of testing. See you then. Thanks for watching.